Hello everyone! Are you tight on space but still need that quick caffeine fix to start your day? Traditional coffee machines take up more room. Many coffee lovers face the common issue of finding a coffee maker that fits in tight kitchen spaces or small office areas. So today, we're exploring some of the best Keurig coffee makers specifically designed for small spaces, all available on Amazon. Let's explore these space-saving wonders. In the first place, we have Keurig K Express Coffee Maker. This compact and energy-efficient coffee maker offers a strong brew option to amplify the flavor of your coffee, ideal for those who appreciate a robust cup. You can choose from 8, 10, or 12-ounce sizes at the touch of a button. The removable reservoir allows the brewing of multiple cups before needing a refill. Second, we have the Keurig K Slim Single-Serve Coffee Maker, Ultra Slim, which is less than 5 inches wide. The K Slim offers a seamless fit into any space. It doesn't just save space, it brings the richness of multi-stream technology for optimal flavor extraction in every brew. The removable reservoir supports brewing up to 4 cups before a refill, and like its siblings, it's energy efficient with an auto-off feature. This model combines sleek design with practical functionality, complete with easy pour spouts and a user-friendly interface. Third, Keurig K-Mini Single Serve Coffee Maker. The K-Mini is the ultimate space saver. It features a single-cup reservoir that requires fresh water for each brew, ensuring the freshest coffee every time. Fast and fresh, this machine brews coffee in minutes and includes cord storage for a clutter-free countertop. Its energy efficiency is remarkable, with an auto-off feature. Fourth, we have the Keurig K Compact Single-Serve Coffee Maker. Don't let its compact size fool you. It features a 36-ounce removable reservoir, smart start technology that heats and brews in one simple process, and simple button controls for ease of use. It's also travel mug friendly and provides hot water on demand, making it versatile for all your hot beverage needs. Fifth is the Keurig K-Café Barista Bar Single-Serve Coffee Maker and Frother. This model is a coffeehouse enthusiast's dream, allowing you to brew everything from hot lattes to iced cappuccinos using any K-Cup pod. It features a versatile milk frother, a special coffee shot function for specialty drinks, and 3 cup sizes. The 42-ounce removable reservoir means more coffee and fewer refills, and its energy-efficient auto-off feature conserves power. Plus, it's compatible with the My K-Cup universal coffee filter, letting you brew your favorite ground coffee. Next, we have the Keurig K Supreme Single-Serve K-Cup Pod Coffee Maker. It stands out with its multi-stream technology, which extracts more flavor and aroma compared to other Keurig models. Customize your coffee strength or enjoy iced coffee at the touch of a button. It also alerts you when it's time to descale, ensuring your brewer stays in top condition. Moving on to the Keurig K Iced Single-Serve Coffee Maker. It's perfect for iced coffee lovers. It automatically adjusts the brew temperature to reduce ice melt and deliver full-flavored iced coffee. You can also enjoy strong, intense hot coffee with the same machine. It's designed to accommodate tall tumblers and features an energy-saving auto-off function. Next up is the Keurig Main Single-Serve K-Cup Pod Coffee Maker. This machine is ideal for those who appreciate simplicity and efficiency. Brew your favorite cup sizes in under a minute and enjoy the convenience of its slim, removable water reservoir. It's Keurig's slimmest model yet, offering easy operation with simple button controls and the option to dispense hot water on demand. Lastly, meet the Keurig K-Mini Plus, the ultimate small space coffee maker. It features a strong brew option for a richer cup. The removable 1-cup reservoir ensures fresh coffee every time and easy cleaning. It includes pod storage for 9 K-cups and energy-saving auto-off after 90 seconds. Perfect for any home or office. These Keurig are designed with small spaces in mind, ensuring you don't have to compromise on quality or convenience, even in the smallest of settings, proving that small can be mighty. Intrigued to make even better coffee at home? Watch this video on home espresso machines and win your coffee game right in your home. Check it out!